In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make over $1,000 a day on Facebook, using a method that's surprisingly under-discussed. Despite TikTok's immense exposure, Facebook is quietly investing hundreds of millions to regain its user base. I'll show you how to leverage this. Step 1. Create a Facebook page. First, you'll need to create a Facebook page if you don't already have one. Go to Facebook, click on Pages, and select Create a New Page. Think about your page branding and type of content to post. Fill in your details. For example, if your niche is pets, name your page something like Pets for Life and select the category Animal and Pets. If you already have a page with a substantial following, feel free to use it. Otherwise, starting from scratch is perfectly fine. Step 2. Source your content. Next, you need content for your Facebook page. Go to YouTube and search for content related to your niche, like funny dog videos. Use the filter to select Creative Commons, allowing you to use these videos freely. Find videos you like, copy the link, and use a YouTube downloader to download the videos to your device. Be cautious of spyware when using downloaders. After downloading, you'll need to edit these videos for Facebook. Step 3. Edit your videos. Use free editing software like iMovie for Mac or DaVinci Resolve for PC. If you're on a mobile device, CapCut is a great free option. Edit the videos to fit the vertical format preferred for Facebook Reels. Step 4. Post content and grow your page. Consistently post your edited videos to your Facebook page. As your content gains views and engagement, Facebook systems will begin to notice and promote your content more. Step 5. Monetize your page. Once you've been posting regularly for 30 days and have over 1,000 views, apply for the Facebook bonus program. It's invite-only, but extends to 150 countries. Approval usually takes 1-2 weeks, but can sometimes take up to a month. Additional monetization methods include in-stream ads, which play between your reels. You'll need 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes of watch time to qualify. Another method is stars, which allows your audience to support you financially. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program and share links to products related to your content. This way, you earn a commission from sales driven by traffic from your page. For example, if your page is about pets, you could repurpose funny dog videos and include an Amazon affiliate link to pet products in your posts or page bio. This provides an additional revenue stream. Consistency is key. Keep posting high-quality, engaging content and interact with your followers. Over time, as your page grows, so will your income. Implementing these strategies can help you easily achieve over $1,000 a day. Let me know in the comments if you plan on using this method. Have you tried making money with Facebook Reels? Share your experiences. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can take full advantage of Facebook's recent investments and develop a profitable page. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up to our channel, Clever Money Ideas. Thanks for watching.